To access the histogram function, tap the histogram icon on the dock. To access further histogram functions, tap the function menu icon. There are 3 different types of histograms available: standard, RGB parade, and exposure overlay. The histogram can be displayed in 3 levels of size: large, small, and medium. The histogram can be displayed at 5 different points on the monitor: left top, right top, left bottom, right bottom, and center. This function is useful if you wish to stack different tools on the display monitor, such as histogram and waveform.